Well, happy day, everybody, and welcome to some Birds of Pay. What a funny name. Birds of Pay Extra Bonus Wilds. Interesting. I've never seen this game before, and, well, I've walked by it many of times, but never seen it at Peppermill or at Tamarack. Only here at BJ's, so I thought, you know what? I'm gonna give it a try today. But it's kind of interesting. The bet panel down here does not show at all how much the bets are. It only says 60 cents. And I know that's not true because somebody was betting $1.80. So we're just gonna press this. I'm guessing it's around $5. Not too sure. So let's just give it a shot. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? It's pennies, right? Yeah. My card timed out. Let's put my card back in there. Let's get our volume all the way up so we can start our unknown dollar amount partay, you guys. I had a ticket for 44 cents. I put that in there along with a very lucky $100 bill. Here we go. Let's see what it is, you guys. Oh, it's only $3? Okay, is that right? Yeah, it's only $3. Well, what's the bet down from it? $2.40 and then $1.80. So this must be $1.20. Yeah, and then 60 cents. All right. These are our bonus features. We need 3 of them to get into the bonus. The rules are very confusing on this. There's some sticky feature, but the one I was concerned with is the bonus games, which are those eggs. So we need at least 3 of those. Could have up to 5 of those. The stacks is what's really interesting about this game, because that's where the big wins can come from. There's one. And there's some sticky refeature, respin that can happen, but it's like the golden egg has to be there, but then that extra bonus wild thing has to be below it or something. I don't know. It was very confusing. And so I kind of gave up after 5 minutes, and I was like, okay, yeah, the brain, that's not going to happen. Okay, that should be decent. $3, 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents. 27, we're almost back up to our 100. That's good. Something with these. Oh, maybe these are our wilds. Okay, those are our wilds. $3. Let's get into that bonus. Let's get that bonus. Okay, we had 2 of them. Doesn't help us. We need the 3rd. I know, one day I was here playing Buffalo Gold, and a lady, I heard the jackpot music going off on this machine. So I peeked around the corner, and I believe the lady got, I don't know, it was somewhere around $1,600 or $1,800 of a jackpot. There was $9 right there on this machine. And I think she was betting the $1.20. I don't know. It was something very low, and she got that huge of a jackpot on this machine. I don't know what she got, but it obviously was very good. Maybe that'll happen to us today. Who knows? One more. I saw it go by, you guys. I saw it. I know the more eggs you get, the more spins you get, because it did say that. We're not getting a whole bunch of anything right now. It's kind of little on the... Oh, it's like wild leopard coins. just put a wild down there. Oh, we get a respin triggered. Okay. What's going to happen? Oh my gosh, we got all those raccoons, but we got him? Oh, that's a bummer. $7. Okay. Now I see. We need to get those fireworks again. But our ticket's just kind of going downtown. I was just going to say, the game's getting kind of boring. It's not very exciting, and the wins aren't that great. Maybe we can get a bonus here soon. Something to make it exciting. Because now we're in the major danger zone, you guys. Hello? Hello? We're having technical difficulties on our machine trying to get a win. Make that respin feature come out again and do it better this time. We've only got 3 spins left. One more, do it. Something exciting. 1 spin. Well, you guys, that was poopy loopy. I'll put in another 100, but I'm not gonna give it. I'm not gonna give it all this 100. The lady playing to the left of me is playing the same machine, same bet, and she got her eggs. I'm trying to peek over there and watch hers. It's not paying her very well. She's half done with her bonus, and she's gotten $9. Was 17. That really helped us. Come on, let's have our turn. Oh, we got it, you guys. I was about ready to give up because this is boring. I better put my black bag on the ground. She has 1 more spin left and she's made $24. Trying to watch hers. Okay, let's just get into ours. Let's see. Hopefully we can do better than hers. Okay, come on. I don't know what you're gonna do. Drop a whole bunch of those. Just 1? Oh gosh, that was a whole quarter. A whole bunch of them. Oh no, just 1 again? Oh no, 50 cents? Oh no, you guys. It's not looking so hot. I don't know if our birds are pay. I think our birds are take. It's birds of take. Oh, I don't know about this, you guys. I don't know why that eagle has a star on it. I don't know what's happening here. 13 wilds added. Okay, what does that mean? Oh, there's some lines. Line 4 is 75, then those are 750. There's another 75. Oh. Yes, you've done it, it says. Yes, you've done it. Okay. Oh, 270, 280. We're up to 300, you guys. 375, 400. Oh, I'm glad I stuck in that extra 100. Too bad we didn't have him over here. Oh, good job. You got the bonus again. Thank you. Yeah, we're up to 650, you guys. 700. She got the bonus again down there. Maybe she's going to get a bonus redemption. Because we're up to 800 now, you guys. Oh my gosh. That was $900 on that spin. We still have 2 spins to go. Make it poof again. Make it poof. Oh, I'm so thankful I put in that second 100. Poof it. Poof it. No birds of take. Birds of pay. Make that eagle with the star come out again. Eagle with the star. Eagle with the star. No? I'm so greedy, you guys. Oh, I don't know why he has a box on him. No $75 line hits that time? Okay, we have one more spin to go after this. What does the box mean?
The box? That was a while to begin with.
Oh.
For the eagle to flow in.
I see. So he was a wild to begin with because he has a box. That's what she just told me. And those were fly-ins. Okay. Guys, $930. Wow. And we still have one more spin. I'm going to help it out. $970? Oh, too bad we didn't get a poof. Wow, I am clapping. I put my green ring on, thinking it's the forest, you know, green, the forest. I don't know. Go with me, you guys. We're up to $1,042, you guys. Okay, let's do some backups. See, he's got a box around him again. Okay, there was $1. She's up to $99 in her bonus now. I'd say that's a bonus redemption for her. Okay, I'm going to be really greedy. Let's get another bonus. Another bonus. See, I don't know why. Oh, I guess because he just drops and he's wild. I get it now. Okay, you guys, I'm a little slow. I know. Oh, gosh. There's our... Okay, hello. Just need 3 of you. Just 3. Come on. Oh, I'm so glad I sat down at this machine and didn't give up after my first 100. Oh, there's some little lambs. Some little Bambi for $1.50. Okay. Oh, too bad we didn't have them on the third reel, little Bambi. Oh, two more. Oh, and we were missing the raccoon on the first. You guys, I'm done. That was perfect place to stop right there. 5 cents. 1,005. Absolutely phenomenal. You guys, I appreciate you watching. Have yourselves a fabulous day. Until we meet again on the next video, you know I love you lots. We'll see you next time, you guys. Bye. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, look at all those birds flying around and all those coins. Oh my gosh, look at that $1,000.